Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Coco to Luck. Today Joseph is staying at home, and Daddy and Mommy going to do paddleboarding in somewhere very nice. We went there once, and
Only
I
once?
thought it's right.
Not twice, once? I don't know. Maybe.
But this is the second time
Okay.
we're going there.
Yeah.
Anyway, so it was really nice place. I said I have to record it for you guys because I'm pretty sure some of you would love to see that nice place. The name is Deep Cove. Right?
What?
Deep Cove?
What?
Deep Cove?
Deep Cove.
Deep Cove.
It's deep, deep.
Deep Cove.
It's not Thai language. Deep Cove.
Deep Cove.
Deep Cove.
And it's really beautiful. Very good.
Yeah, we can't take Joseph because when we do this one, it's take like 10 to 15 kilometers.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of too far for him, and it's really hot. So
Yeah.
maybe not. And then last time, I think it's twice. No, first 2 times. I don't remember
This
how
is
many
the second
times.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that time was so many jellyfish, right? The big jellyfish under.
I caught
So-
jellyfish.
Crab.
I caught crabs.
But
I
we
let
put
them
him
go.
back, yeah. But yeah, like
Yeah.
we don't want to risk, if we fall into the water.
No,
don't-
it's not because of
No,
that
no,
only.
no.
Like the
It's not-
most important thing I care.
Yeah.
It's like it's long. Joseph gonna get
Yeah.
tired under the sun. He's gonna get
I
thirsty.
know. But I mean, I care about these
You're gonna
too
get dehydration.
because it's bigger wave, so we have more chance to, like fell off.
Yeah, but when it's sunny right now, like it shouldn't be any better.
It's ocean.
We will see. We will see.
Hello, it's a part of ocean. So, what do you expect? It's
Let's
not
see.
lake.
Yes is correct or so.
Last time it was sunny too.
Yeah, you're right. It
That's
was
why we
over
have to
there.
bring the life jacket.
That's why the neighbor fell down. Actually, the neighbor is there too. We're gonna have fun with the
Yeah.
neighbor as well.
She's a non-stoppable. Her nickname is non-stoppable.
Non-stoppable.
Huh? Ah.
What? What?
Okay. I have
See
to
you guys
pause.
there.
I'm gonna have to eat quickly.
She's hungry already.
Yeah.
You see you guys there. Okay, we are where are we now?
Deep Cove.
Deep Cove.
Deep Cove.
Deep
Deep
Cove.
Cove. You lock the car, yeah?
Ui, 맞아. We won the lottery.
Oh, there's a 1 year, right? You can park
No,
here.
15 minutes.
No.
Okay. Where is our crazy neighbor? Do it here?
Yeah.
Okay.
10.
Good job.
10, yes.
What's mine? I don't know. I'm 10 too. Okay. Look at Saul and our neighbor. Oh my god. What happened? Crashed? I'm passing you guys. I got told by our neighbor. Look at the boat behind me. Oh, such a nice neighbor. I love you, Erica. What happened? What's going on? Got too wavy. Okay, I guess I have to go help them. Oh, she's okay. She's okay. She don't need my help. She's a strong lady. Right? Show your muscle. Come on. Come on, everybody. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Hey, 1, 2, 3.
I'm in
1,
slavery.
2, 3. Left. Go left. 1, 2, 3.
Somebody must see this on YouTube and help me. I'm in the middle of the ocean.
Don't poop on my head. Where is it? Already passed. We are in the ocean. I want to jump to this water. It's cold, but oh my god, it's worth it.
What a life.
Seriously, I want to jump because I know you're gonna get really fresh. It's like shaving your head in the winter time, you know? You guys never trust me. That's the biggest problem you guys have.
Okay, let's get Salita.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna help you, okay? Hold on. Oi. Okay, oi. Almost. Okay, go. I'm helping you. See? It works. Look, I catch you. Right away. Don't push me to the water. Okay, you wanna untie that? Just ask me, you know?
Oh, goodbye.
I'm gonna come catch you later. See you later.
Goodbye. Look what I can do. I got my freedom back.
Hey, don't forget, I
I'm
got mine.
free.
I got mine here.
From slavery.
I can use mine. I can use mine.
That's yours.
Okay, I will show. Okay, let's go. Park the paddleboard, come up. Oh, she said in the morning here there was water, so it was high tide. Oh my god. I wish I could fly. Okay, so I just walking up here up to this island, and suddenly guess what I see in front of my feet. Okay, here we go. That's what I saw. Hello, beautiful. Hi. You take a rest here? I'm just gonna sit here and watch you. Okay? I'm not here to harm you or anything. Yeah. So cute. What are you doing here alone by yourself? Huh? you wanna go home, meet Joseph? Huh? Do you wanna come with me? You thirsty? Yeah, you look thirsty. Aw. Okay, enjoy your time. You're so cute. I'm here. I'm not gonna harm you or anything, okay? Okay, beautiful. Okay? I wish I brought Joseph with me to meet you. Oh, I'm like 3 or 4 feet away from her, and she feels comfy with me. She didn't scare or anything. You're so cute. Look at the feathers. Oh my god, I'm gonna take a picture of you. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Good girl. I'm pretty sure you're a girl. You're so gorgeous. Can I get closer to you to pet you? Huh? Look at your face. You're so cute. I know you might not gonna trust me because I'm human, right? But I promise I'm not gonna hurt you or anything. Okay? Yeah? Is that okay? I get closer to you? Hmm? Yes? I wish I had water with me to give you some drink. I'm gonna ask Saul if she have water. I'm gonna bring you water, okay? Yes, I know you're so thirsty. Okay, I'm gonna go see if I can bring you water, okay? Okay? Sure? Okay? Oh, I know you must have eggs under your feathers. Hmm? Oh, you wanna show me your eggs? Oh my god, that's so nice of you. Look, he just understand what I was talking about. Nice. I'm gonna go bring you water because I know you cannot left your eggs. I know you cannot leave them alone. Okay? I'm gonna tell Saul to bring you water. Saul! Saul! Where are they? Okay, I'm gonna bring you water. Okay? It's okay, you can see it. Yeah, I saw you have eggs. You got 4 eggs. Oh my god. You got 4 beautiful eggs. When they become kid, huh? Hmm? When they gonna come out? Oh, you don't know? You still waiting, huh? Yeah, you still waiting for them? Oh, oh my god. Oh, so lovely. Cute. You can sit on them. I saw them. Thank you so much for showing me your eggs. Thank you so much showing your babies to me. Thank you so much. You can sit. I'm gonna go bring you water. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna go bring water, put beside her. I hope I can find something to put water in there. I don't know if we have something. But I'll be back soon, okay? Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I told Saul to bring you water, okay? Oh, you hide your eggs from the camera? You don't want to show anybody else your eggs? Huh? Uh, it's okay, I'm not gonna show anybody here. Okay, I'm showing myself. Cool? That's yourself. Look, that's you. Usually with my phone, I record Joseph. Do you know Joseph? Huh? Joseph is my baby. Yeah, he's an umbrella cockatoo. He's really cute. I'm gonna show you the pictures later. Okay, I just came here to say hi to you. Thank you so much for showing me your eggs. Yeah, that's you, look. Yeah, that's you. Thank you so much for showing me your eggs, your babies. And yeah. What are you looking at like that? Hmm? You're so cute. I'm gonna leave my phone here, okay? Can you just put it here? Yeah. Right here. It's okay. Oh, I can leave it there. How about here? Just show your neck. Where can I put it? Here maybe? Are you in the camera? Oh, that's too far. I know, it's hard. You know? I cannot put a nice place for it to leave the camera. Yeah. How old are you? Do you know? Do you know how old are you? Huh? Where's your husband? She's looking for the husband. Do you know where's your husband? Oh, those people looks like watching us. Are you watching to those people? Yeah? Can you show me again your eggs? Can you? Cutie face. Cutie. Cutie face. Come slowly, okay? Come slowly.
It smells like the animal.
Come. That's all. Don't need to be worried, you know? She's more kind than me. She never hurts animals too.
Maybe she's injured.
No, she got 4 eggs. I was talking to her. I said, you have eggs? She right away get up and show me her eggs.
Oh.
It's okay. She's so thirsty. That's why I said bring water.
I have this one. Can
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Can I
Come.
come slowly?
Yeah, come. She's friendly now with me. She trusts me.
Sorry, I'm just coming with the water.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. That's all. No? She's not gonna do anything. Trust me, okay?
There's dog poo.
Yeah, that's dog poo. Hi. Did you say hi? If I stay here about a month, next couple of months she can say hi. Hi.
How can I give her water?
Yeah, I'm gonna try this. You hold this. Yeah, drink. Do you wanna drink? Drink. Yeah, good. Bye. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, drink. Drink it with water. Before it's finished, it's all gone. Yeah. Come on. Drink a little bit. She's leaving. Don't need to be worried. Yeah, she left. See, she was a nice person. You don't want to drink water a little bit? Huh? Come on. Drink. Drink a little bit. Drink.
I call her. She's gonna have to go.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Yeah. No? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for showing me your eggs. Thank you so much for trusting. Yes. I know it's really hard to trust human. But thank you so much for trusting me. Okay? Wish you the best. I hope you get your little boys, girls come out from those eggs. Beautiful eggs. You're so cute. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Do you want to say bye to me? Can I come visit you next time again? Yeah? Okay, bye. Bye-bye. You're so thirsty. I feel so bad I cannot do anything for you. You gonna do? Yeah, come closer. Wait, where am I going? Yeah, good. No. Yeah, it's not it. Okay. This is what I want. Just, you know, lay down on my paddleboard. And this is what Saul wants to do. She just wants to do paddleboarding, you know. And she's pulling me. Good job. You want to burn your energy, right?
Yeah.
So burn your energy. I want to just chill out, you know? This is my day off. Only one day a week.
I think it's around here, right?
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Oh my god, babe. Babe. Oh my god. That's big wave. Woo! That was a big wave.
Will you get in the video?
Yeah. Oh, we have Joseph with us. We have Joseph tattoo with us. Up to you. Maybe go that middle one. Adventure with Saw. Yeah. No, go straight. Huh? You wanna park there?
Because there is all like rocks.
Sure.
Or just here. Okay. Oh, there's another boat coming in.
Hi. They're coming. Where's her life jacket?
Oh, you're so happy.
We're almost there. Watch out. Go, go. Our paddleboard.
What about this? You want me to take it too?
Good. Don't rush. Yes, that's my wife.
Hungry your wife.
And this is ES. ES is more professional than Saul. Always.
I easily kick those things and that thing, so I just lower myself.
Yeah, just go straight. You have
Is
to
it still there?
go down from here.
No, I mean I'm looking for the boat. Yes,
Is it gone? No, it must be there.
it's like
Must be the other side. No. No. Otherwise we have to swim back.
Yeah.
It's sitting there, you know. Watch out here.